Hi and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to delete Outlook folders. Now, to achieve that, you want to first of all ensure that your Microsoft Outlook account is already set up. And to set that up, you want to go to your Google Chrome browser, just type in Microsoft Outlook and then navigate through the process of getting your account set up. To set up your account, just click on create a free account if you want to create one, or if you want to buy a particular plan, just head over here and then pick your preferred plan and buy that to get started. Now, if you do already have an account, do well to click on sign in. When you do sign in, ensure you have all the information you need to sign in, like your email address, passwords, phone numbers, and all that will be required of you. Now, having done that, you would just quickly log in and it will take you to your Microsoft Outlook page. Remember, deleting folders in Microsoft Outlook is very important because it helps to reduce clutter, free up space, simplify organization, remove redundant folders, correct mistakes for security and privacy, and a whole world of other reasons. Now, let me quickly show you how to delete Outlook folders. Now, you want to head over to pick the preferred Outlook folder you want to delete. Ensure that it's an already created folder. All right, like this particular one I have over here, tagged folder file. So I want to quickly delete this folder. So I'll head over to the particular folder and then click on the three dotted lines beside the folder. When I click on that, I will see the option to delete. So this is the option. Click on delete and just click on OK. And that particular folder, as you can see on my screen, has been deleted amongst other folders. So this is how you can simply delete an Outlook folder on Microsoft Outlook. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was simple and explanatory for you. Until next time, bye for now.